Good morning, students. Welcome back to class. And today we are going to learn about air. So, let us start. Air is everywhere. Now, let us see some properties of air. Number 1. It fills any space. Number 2. It has no color. Number 3. We cannot see, smell or taste it. Number 4. But we can feel it. Now we will do one activity and we will see that air can fill any space. So let us start. Now take an empty bottle. Turn it upside down. Now dip the open mouth of the bottle into a container filled with water. Does the water enter inside the bottle? No. Now tilt the bottle slightly like this. You will now see here bubble coming out of the bottle. Now you can see bubble coming out of the bottle. Can you guess what was in the bottle? Yes, you are right. It is air that was present in the bottle. The bottle is not empty at all. In fact, it was filled with air. Even when you turn it upside down, water could not enter the bottle. When the bottle was pushed straight face down, as there was no space for air to escape, when the bottle was tilted, the air was able to escape out in the form of bubble, and water filled up the empty space that the air had occupied. You can try this activity at home. I have used one container. In place of container, you can use bucket also. So, that's all for today's class. Bye-bye.